Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install XAMPP in your PC. This is really simple. Let me show you step by step. At first, you have to go to the browser and you have to search for XAMPP. And here you can see the first link, apachefriends.org. So click here download to directly go to the download page. And here you can see we have here 3 operating system. So we'll go with the Windows. Here you can see. Now you can just go with the latest version. So click here download and it will actually start downloading within short time. I already downloaded this, so I'm not going to download it once again. And let me show you the installation process. Let's go to the downloads folder and here you will find the option XAMPP. So just double click on it. Here you can see welcome to XAMPP. So ignore this warning. This is not really important. So just click here OK. And then click here next. And now select everything. So by default, all will be selected. So just go with the default settings and then click here next. So by default, here you can see this is in the C drive, but you can actually change the drive. So I will actually go to the new drive I have created and let me show you. So we'll go to this PC and here we have a drive and that is called WebTech. I will click here and let me show you that we have X drive. Here you can see for the WebTech. So here I'm going to actually install it. Now I'll just type here XAMPP and now I'll go for the next, then next, then next. And here you can see it installing. So guys, here you can see we have successfully installed it. Now if you want to open it, just check it, or if you don't want to open it, uncheck it. Okay. So I'll check it and then I'll click here finish. And here we go. Now we have this control panel. Now why we actually use this? Because of the Apache server and MySQL server. So Apache server is a server what we need actually to run any server-side scripting language like PHP. And if you want to work with WordPress also, and you need this control panel, you need the XAMPP, okay? Because XAMPP will provide Apache server. Here you can see. Now if you want to start server, you just have to click here start, and after that we have here MySQL server also to create database and connect the project with the database also. You need MySQL server, so it provides the MySQL server also. If you click here start and if you allow it, you can actually now create database also. Now let's say I want to go to the browser and I want to go to the local host. Okay, local host, and I want to give her a slash, and here it actually this is the default page. Okay, but let's just go to the XAMPP file we have actually installed it. In this case, we have installed it in the WebTech, right? So let's go to the WebTech and here you can see we have XAMPP folder. Go inside of it and here you will find htdocs. So just double click on it and go inside it and delete everything. So now if you remove this, if you want now say here localhost slash, and it will actually show you the root folder. Here you can see. So now if you create any folder here, it will be actually act as a project. Now let's say I want to create a folder here and I want to say that test PHP. So this will be my PHP project. Now if I want to install here WordPress, we just have to actually download the WordPress zip file and then you have to add it here. And every single time if you need any project, you will actually create project inside htdocs. And in the case of Laravel also, if you want to create Laravel project inside XAMPP folder, you have to actually create it inside htdocs folder. Okay. And on the other hand, you can actually create Laravel project globally also through Composer. But let's say you want to actually keep all the file in the XAMPP, so you have to actually keep them inside htdocs. So now if I refresh here, you will find a folder or project, whatever you say, and that is called test PHP. If I click here, there will be nothing because we haven't actually created any file here. Now if I go inside of this folder and now if I create a new file here, and here you can see I can see the file with the extension, right, .txt. Now to show or see the extension, you just have to actually click here in the view, then click here show, and then you have to actually check it, file name extension, and you will find it. And after that you will press F2 and then press Ctrl A to select all of them. And now if you say here index.php, it will be the PHP default file. Now let's say I want to open this. So you can actually open the project through any code editor. Just go with the VS Code or Sublime Text because Sublime Text is lightweight. So let's just go with the Sublime Text here at first. I want to open this, and here I want to remove the project from here at first. Now you will find something like this. Now if you want to add any project here, just drag and drop the project here, and here you can see. And now we have index.php file here. Now if I say here, let's say HTML and press tab, it will actually create basic structure for me. And we know we have PHP syntax, right? To write any PHP code, you have to actually use PHP syntax. So this is the PHP syntax, and inside of it, if you want to show anything, you have to echo it, right? I will say here that this is the PHP page, and here I will say h1 that welcome to our website. Now if you want to open this file, what you have to do, you have to actually go to the browser, and now if we refresh here you can see now we are in the localhost / our project root directory, and we don't have to actually mention the file name because index is the default file for the project. Okay, so here you can see this is PHP page for the echo, and we have actually echo, and then we have h1 tag, and we have shown here welcome to our website, right? Now let's say you need database related work. What you have to do, you have to actually go for the localhost / php myadmin and hit enter, and it will actually take you to this control panel, and here you can actually create any database by clicking here new. So these are existing database here you can see, but if you want to create any database, you can actually click here new, and then you can actually say here, let's say test php_db. So click here create. Now you can actually integrate the this database here with this project. How? You can actually just create a new file, and you can set the connection, and then you can actually connect to it. Okay, so if you need server side work, then you can actually integrate with the database. So guys, that's it. I have shown you how you can actually install XAMPP and how you can set up it and how you can create the project and create the database also, right? Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you so much for watching this video.